Stretching is another really important part of anyone's day, and it is something that is so commonly missed. So here is a couple of my favorite stretches that I really enjoy doing. So from here, we're sitting with my feet apart. I'm grabbing my arm to my opposite foot. If you can't grab your foot, grab a towel or a band. Okay, so I'm pushing my quad down to the ground, and now I'm going to, so by pushing my quad down to the ground, and now I'm going to pull back, and I'm going to actually feel the stretch in my shoulder blade. So I'm focusing on pushing my back as far back to the wall as I can. I'm going to breathe. And you might feel it tight somewhere. We are, if you have a desk job, if you've got a little baby, you're bending over, you're picking up all the time, and our back is so often forgotten. Okay, you want to advance a little bit more. Look under your arm, and you'll feel it stretch again. You want to hold a stretch 20-30 seconds. Okay, now we're going to do the same on the other side. Okay, so opposite arm to opposite leg. I'm pushing my quad down to the ground, and now push it back to the wall. I just love the feeling of this stretch. Push it back to the wall. And hold. And again, you want to advance it, look under. All right, good luck. Give it a try. Let me know how you go.